Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today I will be doing a chill flip through of my Moterm personal size croc leather agenda, and you're invited. I'm glad you're joining me for this cozy flip through. First, I want to share with you how I'm using this planner. I divided my planner into 4 sections. The first section is weekly to-do list. In this section, I keep a master to-do list which I update weekly. The second section is weekly planner. In this section, I jot down appointments, events, classes, or engagements. The third section is notes and resources. I keep notes, ideas, and resources handy in this section. The fourth section is inbox and quick notes. This is an unofficial inbox, just a place to brainstorm and write quick notes. So now let's get started with the flip through. The first item is my Pull and Hum task card. I purchased this task card from the Pull and Hum website. I usually don't place task cards in my planners, but this one caught my eye. It has a nice velvet-like feel, and I like the quote it has on it. Next is the All Things Possible dashboard. This is one of my designs from my Etsy shop. It's a vellum acrylic, and it's also available in a white acrylic. I like the simple, minimal look. It makes me feel good when I see it, so I placed it right in front of my planner. The next section in my planner is the weekly to-do list. Every week I print out a master weekly to-do list. It has a list of tasks that I hope to complete by the end of the week. I add these tasks to my weekly agenda. I hope to create a separate episode explaining how I plan my week with these inserts. I like this template because it helps me focus on each task. It also gives me a visual icon. And lastly, I can easily mark off my progress. This is also available in my Etsy store as an Excel digital download for easy editing. So now let's move on to the day one dashboard. This is one of my favorite quotes, so I always like to place it in all my planners and journals. This is also one of my designs from my Etsy shop. It is a vellum acrylic as well. Next, I have a Plan with B free insert. This is a Plan with B freebie. Even though I have a holiday list in my agenda, I really like the look of this dashboard. I have placed a link below to the website if you're interested in downloading it. Next section is my weekly planner insert. I purchased this insert on Amazon. I wanted a pre-printed weekly agenda for 2023 that had dark print. Also, I like to have my appointments written out so that I can see them. I'm happy I found these inserts because they were exactly what I was looking for. They also come with a holiday list for 2 years and some note paper. So now we're going to move on to the note section, and this is the official note section. This note paper came with the 2023 insert. I will be adding notes here. I am also using this section as an inbox for ideas and future concepts. So next part of this section is the unofficial notes section. I'm using the yellow Moterm paper, which this planner came with. I actually like the cream colored paper more than the white for notes. Since I take a lot of notes in this section, I don't want to run out of space in this planner. I realized that I enjoy using an A6 planner for notes, drawing ideas, and quick to-do lists. Because of this, I'm thinking of adding an A6 notebook to my planner lineup. These are just a couple of dashboards available on my Etsy shop. I have a coffee dashboard, a brief dashboard, and an all things possible dashboard. If you're interested in any of the items that I showed on my shop, I will be placing links below. And just remember, there's also links for the freebies. And there might be an affiliate link for the Amazon insert. So check the description, and that way you can see where everything is from. That completes my Moterm flip through. If you like this flip through and want to see my complete lineup, I have placed a link to the November lineup episode. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. Also, please leave a like to support this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. It will really help me grow this channel, and I love sharing this information with you guys. Bye.